God damn. Got ourselves a fire.
Rivers is like, are you kidding me? That ball was going forward and everybody just stopped.
NFL on CBS is sponsored by Gap.
Get started.
Dream the future. And by State Farm.
Good evening, everybody.
Just enough so that
welcome back on this
safety who's working from the middle of the field can't get there, but he's got to fit it over the linebacker, Nick Vigil.
Watching some
That's
football.
why he put some air on it. But look at the leaping ability.
Just happy to get called into work today.
Makes a terrific catch in the back of the end
Gives
zone.
me a chance to bust out the grill.
Let's see if the Jets
can
make an extra point.
Just gonna make some chicken on the grill, some chicken and some hot links.
This year,
you know me, I like my hot links. Right now I'm just oiling up this grill just to get it ready.
And this one is good. So 4 minutes on the nose remaining. 34-26. Chargers.
Local businesses
bit of prep work.
are the heart and
For lunging. Balance it all out with some ice cold serving and enjoy.
As the pandemic peaks worldwide, doctors are studying the problem among healthy, younger patients post-infection.
It's like a viral tornado.
What is it? 60 Minutes tonight.
Ooh, some healthy pieces of chicken there.
Like a homicide to kickstart the evening.
That's what I'm talking about.
Tonight on CBS.
When I heard about Bear's work in criminal justice reform, I knew we had to connect with them. We talked to judges and community leaders to offer solutions to make our system more just, advocating for reduced arrests and policies that reflect where we are as a society today.
Yeah.
Keep moving the sticks.
Go. Raise up this fire a little bit.
Great
Do your
shots
thing, barbecue. Do
from
your
above
thing.
Today, provided by
Be back in a sec.
Immediately following this game, except on the West Coast. 2nd and 9 with 2 minutes to play. The Jets with 2 timeouts remaining. Here comes the blitz.
Oh, wow.
Flacco throwing this side of the field, incomplete.
That had no chance. He threw that one out of bounds. But watch the blitz. It comes. It's just not a big blitzing team. They really rely on their front. You just see the safety. He's going to come from the middle of the field. This is an all-out blitz. Here, that ball has no chance. If you're Flacco, you got to give a chance. Gus Bradley, it's not really his philosophy. They really choose to rely on their front four to generate pressure.
3rd and 9. Flacco under pressure, gonna throw loss here in 2020.
What I got here is some taco seasoning, some beef stew seasoning, onion powder, and pepper, just to give it that little extra kick. The chicken's already seasoned, but I like to give it this little extra kick.
Two hands on the football, it doesn't matter.
It gives it a unique taste.
Lose yardage, you just can't put the ball in it. I suggest to take that last
minutes of new health issues arising among healthy COVID patients, followed by new episodes of NCIS Los Angeles and NCIS New Orleans, plus NCIS tonight on CBS.
Yeah, it's going to be some good eating for a refill.
I mentioned the 2008 Lions and the 2017 Browns, the only two teams to go winless since NFL went to a 16-game
Pacifico,
regular
baby,
season back in
Pacifico.
'78. It's not the conversations you want to be a part of.
Coaches around the league feel this Charger team with their young talent on the verge of something. They have not been able to catch a break, though, in this stretch where they have blown late leads in games.
Anthony Lynn really has told us the last couple of weeks, Greg, that he feels they're close to doing something special. I mean, they get on the run here and they can peel off 6 or 7 wins, and it's just, they've been in every game with a chance to win with their rookie quarterback. And and not losing games because the rookie quarterback's making poor decisions. He's done a great job taking care of it.
Second down at 5. Dalton takes the handoff to Elliott. Catches made.
Ooh, that one's crispy.
And boy, Cameron Dantzler held on for dear life. First and 30 would have been hard to pass up.
That back is warm. That back is warm.
We can't get to the 2-minute warning. I'm wondering where this one comes
Go.
from. Darius Smith says it's against Indianapolis again.
Chicken is done. Put him up there. Put him up there.
Jefferson. You don't see that. That's Jefferson.
Get these links on here.
This one's accepted, and he moves the ball back to the 33.
All right, got some links on there now. These should be quick right here, the links. So get these done. Chicken is done. Once everything's done, got some rice going inside the house. Get our grub on. Oh yeah.
They're hoping that
That's gonna be good right there. Chicken and hot links. Keep it cooking, baby. Keep it cooking. Ooh, we got ourselves a fire, baby. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Ain't she pretty?
Video and Greg Lichty with our 1st and 10 line. It's week 11, and the Dallas
Put these off to the side for now.
Cowboys.
Ooh, look at that fire, boy.
Tied in the win column in the NFC East with Philadelphia, Washington.
Look at this side now.
26. And Rivers gets hit.
Look at that fire.
Darius Smith, this is an incomplete pass, but they're not playing the
Time to choke him.
Take a watch here. That contact by the arm seems to knock it loose, but to me the hand is moving forward.
God damn. Got ourselves a fire.
Rivers is like, are you kidding me? That ball was going forward and everybody just stopped. And then it was recovered and returned by Kirksey.
That there is the grease.
Everybody's moving back down to the other end of the field, by the way. But we'll get the call, and this thing has come to a standstill.
That there is the grease from the last time I did a bacon bomb. All the grease is still down in the tray. And this is the result. Beautiful, ain't it?
There's a lot to get through here. We just saw an incomplete pass. For a moment, the Green Bay Packers thought they had a fumble return for a go-ahead touchdown. They looked at it. They bring the ball back, but the ball is sitting at the...
Anyways, while we give this fire a chance to cool down,
and the punt team comes on for the
our food is done.
because of all these penalties that the
Imagine that.
have committed.
Averted a catastrophe.
Offensive line in particular.
Could have been worse, y'all. Could have been worse.
Green Bay has plenty of time and a timeout. Yeah, and think about it. After they converted the 4th down to Nyheim Hines,
Let's try to choke him out
they ran the
then.
ball. They got 6 yards on that 1st down run, and there was a hole. And that's what put in motion all these holding penalties.
We'll take you around the grill.
They had the game. I mean, they had a chance to
So you can see what's going on in the back.
9
Ooh, look at that. Yeah, I think it's time I might have to upgrade my grill. That tray right there is sagging. Lack of maintenance. That's what happens, folks, when you have lack of maintenance. But we keep on cooking, and we're gonna keep watching football. House burning or not. Green Bay gets the ball. 1 minute. All right. Yeah, got some chicken and links. Got some rice and corn going on the inside. While that's still cooking up, we're gonna keep these warm right here. All right, there's the aftermath. Still a little fire going down there, but it's all controlled now. Basically, it's the grease from the last time I did a bacon bomb. All the grease that settled down there, it all just cut up. Oh, someone's calling me. All right, be right back. Just gonna set these to get warm, or to stay warm while the rice is cooking. Still got a little fire. I don't know if you can see it down there, but there's a little bit of grease still burning down there, but it's almost done. Of course, the mesquite is still going, but I just got the food over there on the side just to keep it warm while the rice gets done. All right, just want to let y'all know the house didn't burn down, so we're still good. All right, the fire is out completely now. It's just the mesquite charcoal that's going, and the food over there just staying warm. Matter of fact, I need to move this over to the side a bit. There we go. Now I got it all the way to the corner, and the food is over there on the other end, staying warm. All right, you guys, still waiting for the rice and corn to be done. All right, so move this side now. Just gonna let that burn out. Ah, look at the view. It's a nice day today. Nice day. Let's take a look at the moon, if you can see it. All right. About to shut it down, go inside, and watch tonight's game. All right, see you inside. All right, everything is done. Let's dig in. Chicken. Too much. Hot links. Some rice, and of course get some free joes on there. All right, there it is. To go dig in. Some chicken, hot links, rice with corn in it, and some refried beans. Oh yeah, it's a good Sunday. And football is still on, so let's do this. All right, you guys. See you guys later.